हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज जो हम इंटीग्रेशन डिस्कस करने वाले हैं उसमें इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ एल्जेब्रिक फंक्शंस और एल्जेब्रिक फंक्शंस की जो फॉर्म है वो है पॉलिनोमियल मल्टीप्लाइड बाई ए एक्स प्लस बी रेज टू द पावर एन और पॉलिनोमियल एनी पॉलिनोमियल मल्टी डिवाइडेड बाई ए एक्स प्लस बी रेज टू द पावर एन। एन जो है इसकी वैल्यू कोई भी रेशनल नंबर हो सकता है और पी एक्स कोई भी पॉलिनोमियल हो सकता है, क्वाड्रेटिक हो सकता है, लीनियर हो सकता है। तो चलिए आज का हम सेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं। इस टाइप का हमारे पास इंटीग्रेशन है एक्स स्क्वायर विच इज़ ए पॉलिनोमियल और उसकी का डिनोमिनेटर है ए एक्स प्लस बी स्क्वायर डी एक्स। तो ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है और देखिए इसकी क्या ट्रिक है। हम इसे सॉल्व करेंगे बाई सब्सटीट्यूशन मेथड। तो क्या सब्सटीट्यूशन रहेगा, हम कहेंगे लेट ए एक्स प्लस बी ए प्लस बी एक्स इज इक्वल टू टी और इससे हम फाइंड करेंगे एक्स की वैल्यू। तो आप अगर सॉल्व करें बी एक्स इज इक्वल टू टी माइनस ए और बी गेट एक्स इज इक्वल टू टी माइनस ए अपॉन बी। नाउ दिस वैल्यू will be substituted here in place of x and on differentiating both sides, we differentiate both sides, then the differentiation differentiation of a plus bx is equal to, if we differentiate both sides, differentiation of t and differentiation a is 0, b into differentiation of x is 1 dx is equal to dt, that is we get dx इज इक्वल टू डी टी अपॉन बी। तो अब हम यहाँ पर इस इंटीग्रैंड में x की जगह पे सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे t माइनस ए अपॉन बी और dx की जगह सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे dt अपॉन बी। सो लेट अस सब्सटीट्यूट दीज वैल्यूज इन द इंटीग्रल हियर। सो इफ वी पुट x रिप्लेसिंग x बाई t माइनस ए अपॉन बी, t minus a upon b whole square and divided by a plus bx we have taken, let it be equal to t, so divided by t square and the dx will be replaced by dt upon b. Now let us solve it further. So if we solve it further, then 1 upon b square into t minus a whole square upon t square into dt upon b. Now ये इंटीग्रल आपका दूसरे वेरिएबल t में कन्वर्ट हो गया है और अब b स्क्वायर इज ए कांस्टेंट, b इज ऑल्सो ए कांस्टेंट, सो वी कैन टेक आउट 1 upon bq outside and integration of t minus a whole square upon t square dt. Now this can further be simplified as 1 upon b cube and integral of t minus a whole square is equal to t square plus a square minus 2at upon t square dt. Now 1 by 1 dividing, तो आपने t square divided by t square is 1, so we get this is equal to 1 upon b cube integration of 1 plus a square upon t square, that is a square t raised to the power minus 2 and minus 2a upon t, that is minus 2a t raised to the power minus 1 dt, and outside the whole integral we have 1 upon b cube. So 1 upon b cube, here we can write integration of 1 dt plus a square is a constant, integration of t raised to the power minus 2 dt minus 2a is a constant, integral of t raised to the power minus 1 dt. So which is equal to integration of 1 dt is t plus integration of t raised to the power minus 2 is equal to t using the formula of x raised to the power n dx x n plus 1 upon n plus 1. We can write this is equal to t raised to the power minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1, upon minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, minus 2a, and integration of t raised to the power minus 1, that is log t, 1 upon t dt, 1 upon t dt, which is equal to log t, plus we have the constant of integration c. Now we can write this as t upon 1 upon b cube into t. T is equal to a plus bx. So a plus bx plus a minus sine a square upon t, that is a square upon, and the value of t is a plus bx minus 2a log of mod t, that is mod of a plus bx, bracket closes, plus c. So this is the final answer. Next question, integral of x plus 2, which is in the form of a polynomial, a linear polynomial, and this ax plus b raised to the power n, 3x plus 5 whole power n, that is 1 upon 2. So this integral is in this form. So we will solve it by method of substitution, and let us take 3x plus 5, the quantity inside the rational this square root, as equal to t. Now on differentiating with respect to x, we get 3 dx is equal to dt. Now let us find the value of x in terms of t. So the value of x in terms of t is 3x is equal to t minus 5, or x is equal to t minus 5 upon 3. So now we can substitute this value here. So integral of this x plus 2 means t minus 5 upon 3 plus 2. Then this integral is equal, this is equal to under root of t, because we have taken 3x plus 5 is equal to 2 t, then root t, and dx will be replaced by dt upon dx is equal to dt upon 3. So replacing dx by dt upon 3 here. 1 upon 3 is a constant, so we can first we can take it out. So 1 upon 3, this is equal to 1 upon 3 is out, and here we can write this by taking the LCM ले इसका अगर, तो 8 t minus 5 plus t minus 5 plus 6 divided by 3, and then under root of multiplied by under root of t and dt. So this is equal to this. If we take out this 3, then 1 upon 9 integration of t plus 1 into under root of t dt. This 1 by 9 is outside the whole this integral. So 1 upon 9, and we can write this as t multiplied by root t, that is integration of t raised to the power 3 upon 2 dt plus integration of root t dt, that is t raised to the power 1 by 2 dt, which is equal to 1 upon 9 into t raised to the power 3 by 2 using the formula of x raised to the power n, t raised to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1 plus t raised to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1, and then plus adding the constant of integration. So this gives us equal to 1 by 9, and t raised to the power multiply 1 by 9 here, t raised to the power 5 by 2, and then divided by 5 upon 2 plus 1 upon 9 again multiplied 1 upon 9, t raised to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. So which is equal to 1 upon 9 into this becomes 2 upon 5, t raised to the power 5 upon 2 plus 1 upon 9 into 2 upon 3, t raised to the power 3 upon 2 plus c, which is equal to 2 upon 45 t. The value of t we have taken, it is equal to 3x plus 5. So 2 upon 45, 2x plus 5 whole power 5 upon 2 plus this is 2 upon 27, 2x plus 5 whole raised to the power 3 upon 2 and plus c. So this is the final answer of the question. Next question, question number 2. x plus 2 under root 3x plus 5. If we compare it with this form, then we have a polynomial here, और यहाँ पर हमारे पास एक और ax plus b form and the whole raised to the power rational number. तो अब आप let 3x plus 5 is equal to t. जो हमारा रेशनल नंबर है उस एक्सप्रेशन को हमने t के इक्वल लेट करेंगे. Now differentiating, we differentiate, on differentiating we get 3 dx plus differentiation of this constant is 0 is equal to dt, or we can say dx is equal to dt upon 3. Now this x value, let us find the value of x from this. So 3x is equal to t minus 5, or we can say x is equal to t minus 5 upon 3. Now putting these values in the given integral, तो अगर हम पुट करते हैं x की वैल्यू t minus 5 upon 3, इंटीग्रेशन साइन हेयर, इंटीग्रेशन साइन t minus 5 upon 3, the value of x plus 2, and then square root of t, and dx will be replaced by dt upon 3. Now taking the LCM here, we get t minus 5 plus 6 upon 3 and multiplied by under root t dt upon 3. This 3 and 3 is 9, so taking out 1 upon 9, integration of t plus 1 into under root of t dt. Which is equal to 1 upon 9 into integration of t and under root t, their multiplication is t raised to the power 3 by 2 dt plus 1 upon 9 under root integration of under root t dt. Now using the formula of x raised to the power n to simplify it further, we can write this is equal to 1 upon 9 and the integral of t raised to the power 3 by 2 using the concept of x raised to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus 1 upon 9 into t raised to the power 1 by 2, which is equal to t raised to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1, and then adding the constant of integration. So this is equal to 1 upon 9 into t raised to the power 5 by 2 divided by 5 upon 2 plus 1/9 t raised to the power 3/2 divided by 3/2 plus c, which is equal to 1/9 into 2/5 t raised to the power 5/2 plus 1/9 into 2/3 t raised to the power 3/2 plus c. Now this is equal to 2/45 t raised to the power 5/2 plus 2/27 t raised to the power 3/2 plus c. Now putting the value of t here, the value of t is 3x plus 5, so this is equal to 2 if we want to take some values common, we can take here the value common, which is t raised to the power 3/2. So if we take t raised to the power 3/2 common, or let it be in this form here, so 2/45 into t, the value of t is 3x plus 5, so 3x plus 5 whole power 5/2 plus 2/27 into t raised to the power 3/2, that is 3x plus 5 whole power 3/2 and plus the constant of integration. So this is the final answer of this question. Next question, question number 3, integral of 2x square plus 3 under root x plus 2 dx. So again this integral is in this form, polynomial multiplied by ax plus b power rational number dx. So let x plus 2b equal to t. जो एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन स्क्वायर रूट के साइन के अंदर है उसको हम लेट कर देंगे t के इक्वल. तो अब अगर हम डिफ्रेंशिएट करते हैं तो dx विल बी इक्वल टू dt और dt ओवर dx इज 1 और यू कैन से dx इज इक्वल टू dt. नाउ द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू t minus 2. So putting both these values in the integral, we get integration of 2 into t minus 2 whole square plus 3 into square root of t, and dx will be replaced by dt. This is which is equal to integral of, if we solve it, 2 into t square minus 4t plus 4 plus 3, then bracket closed, outside under root t dt. Now this is equal to integral of 2t square minus 8t plus 2 for 8 plus 3 d, and outside under root t dt. The whole integral has been changed into the variable t. So this is equal to 2t square minus 8t integral of 2t square minus 8t plus 11 multiplied by under root t dt. So this is equal to 2, separating the integrals, here we can write this is 2 integration of t square into under root t, that is 2 plus 1 by 2, 5/2 t raised to the power 5/2 dt minus 8 is a constant, integration of t 1 and 1 by 2 is 3/2 t raised to the power 3/2 dt plus 11 into integration of root t dt. Now using the formula of x raised to the power n to solve these integrals, we can write this is equal to 2 into t raised to the power 5/2 plus 1 divided by 5 upon 2 plus 1 integral of this function minus 8 into t raised to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 using the formula of x integral of x raised to the power n is equal to x raised to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus 11 into integral will be equal to t raised to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 and then putting the constant. So this is equal to 2 into t raised to the power 7 upon 2 divided by 7 upon 2 minus 8 into t raised to the power 5 upon 2 divided by 5 upon 2 plus 11 into t raised to the power 3 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 2 plus c. Now let us further simplify. Let us simplify it further, which is equal to 2 into 2 upon 7 t raised to the power 7 upon 2 minus 8 into 2 upon 5 t raised to the power 5 upon 2 plus 22 upon 3 t raised to the power 3 upon 2 plus c. Now from all these terms we can take t raised to the power 3 by 2, 2 into t raised to the power 3 by 2 as common. So 2t raised to the power 3 by 2 is common. Then in the first we are left with 2 upon 7 t raised to the power 3 means t square, because 2 plus 3 by 2, 4 plus 3 7 minus 8 to just 16, 2 has been taken as common, so 8 upon 5 t raised to the power 3 plus 2 is 3, this is equal to 3 plus 2 upon 2, that is 1 t raised to the power 1 plus 22, so 11 upon 3 plus c. Now putting the value of t, so on putting the value of t we get 2x plus 2 raised to the power 3 by 2 into 2 upon 7 x plus 2 whole square minus 8 upon 5 into x plus 2 plus 11 upon 3 plus c. So this is the final answer of the question. Next question, question number 4. Integral of x under root x plus 2 dx. Here this is a polynomial and x plus 2 raised to the power a rational number. So let x plus 2, the quantity inside the expression inside the square root, let it be equal to t. On differentiating we get dx is equal to dt, or dt over dx is 1, or dx is equal to dt. Now the value of x is t minus 2. From here we can find the value of x is equal to t minus 2. So we can write this is the integral of t minus 2, and this value x plus 2 is equal to t. So under root of t and dt, dx replaced by dt. Now multiplying integral of t and 1 by 2 t raised to the power 3 by 2 dt minus 2 is a constant, integration of root t dt. Now this is in the form of x raised to the power n, t raised to the power n. So integral will be t raised to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1, and the integral of this function 2 raised to the power t raised to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 upon 2 plus 1 and plus c. Now let us simplify it further. On further simplification we get t raised to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 5 upon 2, t raised to the power 5 upon 2 divided by 5 upon 2 minus 2 t raised to the power 3 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 2 plus c. So this is equal to 2 upon 5 t raised to the power 5 upon 2 minus 2 into 2, that is 4 upon 3 t raised to the power 3 upon 2 plus c. Now from these two we can take 2 as common and also t raised to the power 3 by 2 as common. So in the first we are left with 3 by 2 plus 1 is 5 upon 2. So t minus t upon 5 minus from the second we can take 2 as common, t 3 by 2. So we are left with here 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 plus c. So this on further simplification 2t raised to the power 3 by 2 and taking the LCM here, LCM is here 15. So 15 now 5 3t minus 3 5 minus 10 plus c. So this gives us 2 into t, value of t is x plus 2, x plus 2 raised to the power 3 by 2 and in the other bracket we have 3 into x plus 2 minus 10 upon 15 plus c. So this is equal to 2 upon 15 x plus 2 raised to the power 3 by 2 and here we have 3x plus 6 minus 10 upon 15 plus c, which is equal to 2 upon 15 x plus 2 raised to the power 3 upon 2, 3x minus 4 upon 15, 3x minus 4, this 15 is here, so no need to write here 15. So this is 2 upon 15 into x plus 2 raised to the power 3 by 2, 3x minus 4 plus c. So this is the final answer of the question. Next question, question number 5, and this question number 5 is in this form. In the numerator we have the polynomial and in the denominator it is of the form ax plus b raised to the power n. So let this 7x plus 9 is equal to t. From here we can get the value of x, which is equal to t minus 9 upon 7. Now on differentiating we get 7 is equal to dt, or you can say 7 dx is equal to dt. Now substituting the value of dx by dt upon 7 and in place of x writing t minus 9 upon 7. So on doing this substitution we get 3 into t minus 9 upon 7, 3 into t minus 9 upon 7 plus 5 divided by under root of t, and dx will be replaced by dt upon 7. Now taking out this 1 upon 7 as a constant, and here we have 3t minus 27, 3t minus 27 plus 35 upon 7, and in the denominator we have root t dt, and which gives us 1 upon 49 integration of 3t and 35 minus 27 is 8, 3t plus 8 upon under root of t dt. और इसको अलग अलग आप सेपरेट करेंगे. ऑन सेपरेटिंग the terms we get 1 upon 49 as a constant outside, integral of 3 t divided by under root t is 1 by 2 plus this 8 t raised to the power minus 1 by 2 and then dt. So this is equal to now 3 upon 49 integral of t raised to the power 1 by 2 dt plus 8 upon 49 integration of t raised to the power minus 1 by 2 dt, which is equal to 3 upon 49 using the formula of x raised to the power n, t raised to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus 8 upon 49 into t raised to the power 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 plus c. Now on further simplifying it, this 3 and 3 get cancelled. 2 upon 49 t raised to the power 3 by 2 plus here we have 2, it is 16 upon 49 t raised to the power 1 by 2 plus c. Now 2 upon 49 t raised to the power 1 by 2 is common. T raised to the power 1 by 2 is common. So we are left with here 1 by 2. So 1 t plus this 16. So 8 t plus 8 plus c. Now putting the value of t here. Value of t is 7x plus 9. So this gives us, this is equal to 2 upon 49 t, the value of t is 7x plus 9 raised to the power 1 by 2, and here we have 7x plus 9 plus 8 plus c. So this is equal to 2 upon 49 7x plus 9 whole power 1 by 2 into 7x plus 17 plus c. This is the final answer. So with this question I conclude this session. Like and subscribe my channel for new videos and press the bell icon. Thank you students.